Hey, Flexx 2.0 from France. That's right, 2.0, the new and improved version of an already great product. We're going to get into it a little bit, but we're going to need the overhead to take a look at the product a little closer and give you a quick overview of why you should buy it for your next flexible LED project. Let's get into it. Okay, let's take a look at the new France Flexx Curv 2.0. And we're going to take a look at just some of the things and the features and the benefits of it. Wanted you to see it lit up first. Let's disconnect it. Let's take a look at the pieces and parts and get into it. Okay, now that we have it disconnected, let's take a look at some of the features a little closer. As you can tell, it's called the curve for a reason, because it can go side to side, and it's literally meant to do a wave or a curve, right? It's not meant to go back on top of itself. We have another product for that we're going to be premiering this year. This product also has an overmolded end cap system that's done inside our facility, our manufacturing facility, to ensure maximum durability in the field. It has 3 or 4 different configurations. This one's a straight. You have a right, a left, and a bottom. That way you can do it according to how you want to install this product. You also have an overmolded end cap system. So this is overmolded and done also inside of our factory. Here's the beauty of it. As you can tell, it's clear. So these both, when you saw it lit up earlier, they light clear, and they really are quite fantastic. So let me grab some pieces and parts and go into a little bit more detail about how it's constructed so you can have complete confidence when you use this fantastic product. So let's take a look at some of the raw material now that goes into this product. As you can see, it's actually an overmolded 2 pieces, your color on the top, white on the bottom to help reflect the light and give you a more robust lighting. And then you have inside of it all overmolded. It's beautiful because the way that it's done, it's got this clear window so you can see where the breaks in the board are, so you can make a cut in the field if you absolutely have to, and you cannot wait for us to make another piece for you. You can go ahead and cut it and cap it yourself in the field. Now, with those connections being soldered, and then everything formed over top of them, that gives you a true IP68 rating. This product is just an improvement on an existing great product of ours, and it just is more robust, and this is what you guys were telling us you wanted in the field, so we're giving it to you. If you want to take a little closer look even, we're going to do something a lot of people don't. We're going to show the inside. And as you can tell, I'm not joking around about the overmolded. I mean, it literally is overmolded in and over top of that. It is a fantastic product. It's a very robust product. You can see how robust the actual solder joints are inside the board itself. It's a great product. And we're really excited to roll out, France Flexx 2.0. The really great thing that people are going to love about this is if you've already got some of this in the field and you're used to this installation method, which is fantastic. I mean, it's a clip system. It's got teeth inside of it that bite into the product to hold it in place. If you misposition it and you squeeze and pull back out, I'll show you that here in a second. But if you've got this or the rail that is the 3-foot version of this in the field, and you already have some of our other product and you want to change it out, you can change it out, change the color, whatever, and it's real easy to do. This product fits the exact same installation method. So you just squeeze it in, it's installed and not going anywhere, as you well know if you've used this product before, and you squeeze it, pull it out, so you can reposition it. So you pull out the old stuff, and you have to peel it off because, I mean, it bites into it. So you peel that off, stick it back inside this until it clicks. It's not going to come out, right? Boom, it's there. And then you reinstall your new piece. It's that simple. We have made this product more robust, easy to use, and the process of what you get now is so much better as far as when it gets to you, it is ready to install according to your specifications. So until next time, sign on.